So what is this somatic empowerment? So many of us, we're living in a compensation for how inadequate we feel that we are. So we're living in a way like, how do you think, or how do I think I need to be so you will be with me, so you will connect with me, so you will have sex with me, all these compensations. We play these games with one another. And the somatic empowerment is to just begin to realize, oh, there's a body here that is in formation. It's like life keeps coming through the roots and begins to inform me about this present moment. And living in a culture that says, I think therefore I am, I cut myself off from this, and I'm often at war with this. So what we start with is embodied intimacy is to begin to just slow down enough and use these self-regulatory techniques, co-regulatory techniques to open up into the ocean inside, where we feel really what is true right now. So we're really relating with ourselves and one another in presence, which is not from the mind that is projecting something fearful on the future, trying to avoid it to happening again, right? So we're really coming into the empowerment of what is true right now. And from there, we begin to relate and weave back and forth.